Hi friends! So today I'm here for a 3 bedroom apartment which has got a closed kitchen and it is very good size, large size and ready to move in. So this property is around 1700 square feet and this is the living area. By the way, this property where I am here, it is a freehold property and it is based in Mirdif. Yes, in Mirdif. Mirdif it is a freehold. By the way, none other property is freehold in Mirdif. You can see very good size living area, good ceiling heights, and I have got a small balcony as well. This is a sample apartment for you to consider when your furnitures are inside the apartment, how the apartment would look like, and you can see the finishings of the apartment as well. So this is the feature of the apartment. Now this is the maid's room, rather I can say you can use it as a storeroom as well. So this is the first washroom. It is a full washroom by the way, and it has got bathtub. Now let me take you to the best part of this apartment. Yes, it is a kitchen, closed kitchen and very good size kitchen over here. You can see the quality, you can see the finishings, lots number of storage spaces. This is the first bedroom. This is a master bed. You can see huge size. And by the way, even though it is a freehold property, the apartment has a very low service charge, around 8 dirham per square feet only. It is actually very less. It comes with a standing shower and got a small balcony as well. In some of the layouts, there is no maid's room. So that is around 1600 square feet. So you have availability of different kinds of layout. All the apartments are ready to move in, so you can get the keys immediately. This is the second bedroom. By the way, this particular bedroom doesn't have the ensuite washroom, but good size. This is the third bedroom. It comes ensuite. This particular property is very near to Dubai Airport. It's only like 10 minutes from here, and there's a new road being constructed that will have even distance lesser for it. So this is a third washroom and got a bathtub. You can see how good the quality is. I'm just going back to the living area once more, taking you to the full round of this apartment once again. The amenities includes swimming pool and gym, in which I'll show you in my next slide. So this is the corridor. I would say it is a huge size corridor, very wide. Even for the waiting for the lift as well. So this is the first amenity, that is a gym. I can see almost every equipment over here which is required at the gym. Good size, good number of equipments already in place. This apartment comes with covered parking. This is the swimming pool. I think swimming pool is closed as of now. Otherwise, I would have shown you from inside how big the swimming pool is. And these are the exteriors of the building. Building is ready to move in. Apartment is ready to move in. You can get the keys immediately. So let me show you some quick features of this particular community. You can see the nearby retail areas. I'll show you the nearby schools. So these are the schools. Almost every curriculum I can see over here, which is in the vicinity. By the way, this area is very posh and you would love to be in this area always. centrally located to close, very close landmarks. You can see airport quite near, Rashidia metro station, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed road, well connected. These are the nearby parks and some of the hospitals over here, quite near, which is very important feature. So I'll show you one more thing. You can see a road coming right next to this property. That road is under construction. Once this road opens, this Dubai airport is only 5 minutes to 7 minutes distance. So you can imagine how near the all the landmarks are here. And this is the model which they initially developed, and I will show you how big the community is. I have shown you very small part of the apartment, by the way. So there are 3 blocks. This is the first block, residential. This is the second block, again residential. Now this is the third block, purely commercial. So this third block contains hotels, hotel apartments, offices, retail areas like Carrefour, Starbucks, everything in this commercial part. And very big chain of operators are working over there, and the agreement is already in place. So you can see these are the retail areas. So this is the swimming pool and gym which I just showed you originally, and the apartment is ready to move in. If you have any questions regarding the layout, the available sizes, or the availability of the apartments, you can give me a call. I'll be happy to help you out on booking procedure. You please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. And thank you for watching this video once again. Feel free to give me a call or WhatsApp, and I'll help you out to sort out your hunt for the property. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.